So hello guys, I'm Francis Villafranca. I'm newly elected class president for this academic year. So let's talk about our project for this academic year. So anyone who wants to suggest about the project. So how about you? You may introduce yourself and your suggestion.
Hi, I'm Ria Eugenio Mateo, 19 years old, and you can call me Iya. May I suggest a trash can for the project for a classroom?
Oh, that's great idea. A trash can or trash bin for one of our projects. So anyone who wants to suggest or you may agree to about the project that Ias mentioned a while ago about the trash bin. So if anyone don't have suggestions, so let us focus on trash bin. So Iya, about the trash bin, you have any idea about that? How we implement that project?
I think we need a three trash bin, one for use, reduce, and recycle, in order to maximize the trash inside the classroom.
Oh, that's great idea. So we are now focused on your on our project, which is the trash bin. So if there's no more suggestion about the project, so we can end this meeting. So have a nice day, everyone. Have a nice day, Iya.
Have a nice day.